let's apply our long division. This is our long division now. We're going to use a code to called what? Called 1221. 1 1 2 2 1 DMSB. This is D, guys. We have DMSB. DMSB. D means divide. M means multiplication. S means subtract. Then B means bring down, meaning that we are going to divide how many times once, we are going to multiply how many times twice, we are going to subtract how many times twice, we are going to bring down how many times only once, right? Then let's apply this long division. So we have our x, let's transpose, because this is the equation, right? Let's transpose this positive 1 this side to become negative 1 equal to 0. Then this x minus 1, we are going to plug it here, x minus 1. Then now let's plug our equation, which is the cubic function equation. We have x cubed minus 3x squared minus x, then plus 3. Then let's apply this code to simplify this equation so that we can be able to find the other x-intercepts. The main objective of applying long division is to find the x-intercepts. Then let's now apply our long division. Then we have x cubed, this x cubed, right? X cubed divided by x. Remember, we are going to divide how many times? Only once. Then this and this shall cancel, we are going to be left with x squared, because x cubed divided by x is equal to x squared. Then we are going to plug our x squared here. Then the equation that is going to be formulated here is the equation that is going to help us to find the other two factors of what? Two factors of x. Two factors of x for what? For this equation. Then we have our x squared. We have divided how many times? Only once. Then now we have to go for multiplication. We are going to multiply how many times? Twice. We are going to multiply it twice. Then x squared multiplied by x. It's x cubed. Then again we have to multiply. X squared multiplied by negative 1. It's minus x squared. Then now we have to we are just putting a line. We're just putting a line. Now we have to subtract, right? We have multiplied, now we have to subtract. We are going to subtract how many times? We are going to subtract twice. Remember, guys, we are going to left with the 0, 0, 0 till to the end. Whenever you subtract, you are going to get 0, 0. From this portion, it will be 0, 0, 0, all the way to the end, right? X cubed minus x cubed, it's 0. Then we have to subtract again. How many times? Twice, right? We have subtracted once, now we have to go for the second one. Then minus 3x squared minus x squared. Then minus 3x squared minus multiplied by minus is positive x squared. Then what is a combination of this? Minus 3x squared plus x, it's minus 2x squared, which means here we have minus 2x squared, right? So let me erase all this so that we can be able to have enough space. So we have subtracted how many times? We have subtracted how many times? Twice. Then we have to bring down, right? Let's bring down. Now we are bringing down. We are bringing down minus x. Then we have to go back to divide, right? Then we are going to divide how many times? Only once. Then let's divide. So we have negative 2x squared divided by this x divided by this a. This x will cancel with x. We are going to left with the negative 2x. Because here we have negative 2x squared divided by x. X will cancel x. We are going to left with 1x, which is 2 minus 2x, which is this, right? No, we have minus 2x. Then now we have to multiply, because we have divided only once. Now we have to multiply how many times? Or twice. Then minus 2x multiplied by x. It's minus 2x squared. And then again, we have to multiply again, because we have to multiply how many times? Twice. Then minus 2x multiplied by negative 1. It's positive 2x. Remember, this 2x correspond with this x, right? So let me write it correct. We have squared. We have positive 2x, right? Then now we have to subtract. How many times? We have to subtract twice because you have multiplied twice. Now we have to subtract twice. Then let's subtract. Then how many times? We are going to subtract twice. Then minus 2x squared minus 2x squared. Then minus 2x squared minus multiplied by minus is positive 2x squared. Then this and this will cancel. We are going to left with the 0. As I've mentioned earlier on, that this side we are going to left with the 0, 0, 0 all the way until the end. So then now let's subtract. We have subtracted once. Now we have to go for subtraction again. We have to subtract how many times? Twice. So minus x minus 2x, right? Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Then we have minus 3x. Then we have subtracted how many times? Twice. Now we have to bring down. We are going to bring down how many times? Only once. Then let's bring down. Then now we are bringing down. We are bringing down positive 3. Then now we have to go back to divide. Then we are going to divide how many times? Only once. Then minus 3x divided by x. Divided by x. This x will cancel with the s. We are going to left with the negative 3. Then negative 3. We have negative 3, right? Negative 3. Now we have to multiply how many times? Twice. Negative 3 multiplied by x. It's minus 3x. Then again negative 3 because you have to multiply twice. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 1. It's positive 3. Then now we have to subtract. You're going to subtract how many times? Only twice. Then minus 3x minus 3x. Then minus 3, we have minus 3x minus multiplied by minus is positive 3x. Then the combination of this will cancel out. We are going to left with the 0. Then how we have to subtract how many times? Twice. Then 3 minus 3, it's 0. Then this is the equation that we are going to use to find what? To find the other factors, because you've managed to find the first factors using what? Using try and error. Now we are going to use this equation to find what? To find other factors of what? Of x. Other x-intercepts in other ways. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then now let's factorize this so that we can be able to find what? So that we can be able to find the other two factors. So we have x and also x to get x squared. So which factors of 3, when you multiply them, they will give you negative 3, but when you add them, they will give you a negative 1. It's positive 1 and also minus 3. When you multiply them, they will give you negative 3, but their combination or their sum will give you a negative 2. Then for our x is equal to minus 1, or our x is equal to positive 3, which means our first factor is equal to negative 1, the other factor is equal to positive 3, the other factor is equal to positive 3. Now let's rearrange them correct according to their signs. Here we have negative 1. Our a is negative 1, then followed by our positive what? Followed by the positive 1, which means the value of b is somewhere here. The value of b is somewhere here, guys. The value of b is somewhere here. X equal to positive 1. What about c? Our c is positive 3, which means our c is equal to the x at c is positive 3. So this is the way how to find what? How to find the x-intercepts or the coordinates, the x-coordinate, the x-intercept of the x, the coordinates of a, b, and also c. So that's how it works, guys. Let me pause the video so that I can be able to show you how to determine the turning points and also the point of inflection.